Hey guys, today I am telling you some basic English phrases that you use in your daily life. Let's start. Clap your hands. ताली बजाओ. Clap your hands. Snap your fingers. चुटकी बजाओ. Snap your fingers. Cross your fingers. उंगलियां क्रॉस करो. Cross your fingers. Wiggle your fingers. उंगलियां हिलाओ. Wiggle your fingers. Crack your knuckles. उंगलियां चटकाओ. Crack your knuckles. Crack your knuckles. Hold out your hand. हाथ आगे करो. Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Curl your fingers. उंगलियां मोड़ो. Curl your fingers. Form a fist. मुट्ठी बनाओ. Form a fist. Rotate your wrist. कलाई घुमाओ. Rotate your wrist. Wave goodbye. हाय करो. Wave goodbye. हाथ जोड़ो. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. How to open this? इसे कैसे खोलूं? How to open this? कौन सा वाला? Which one? Which one? This one. ये वाला. This one. This one. और that one. या वो वाला. और that one. और that one. या वो वाला. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Anything will do. कोई सा भी चलेगा. Anything will do. खींच कर अलग करो. Pull them apart. Pull them apart. What to do with this? इसका क्या करना है? What to do with this? इसे दूध में डुबो कर खाओ. Dip this in the milk and eat. Dip this in the milk and eat. Dip this in the milk and eat. क्या मैं सारे ले लूँ? Can I take all? Can I take all? Who do you take after? आप किस पर गए हो? Who do you take after? मैं अपने अब्बू पर गया हूँ. I take after my father. I take after my father. मेरा मूड ख़राब है. I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood. मेरी नींद ख़राब हो गई. My sleep was disturbed. My sleep was disturbed. My sleep was disturbed. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.